Hey everybody, thank you for coming to watch this video. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look, and hopefully you guys like it. As you can see, yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. We're going to jump right in it. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking in the beginning, but I do want to say please subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell at the bottom so that you'll get notifications when I upload videos. As you can see, I'm working on my lighting. I'm working on quality of videos, backgrounds, things of that nature. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. So I've already washed my face. I've already applied my primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows. I always start with my brows. So now I'm taking this concealer by Maybelline. It's called Instant Age Rewind. It's a pretty good concealer. Gives you a really natural tone. I like it, so I'm gonna use it. A lot of people ask me why I put my finger right here. It's kind of my thing. It's kind of just how I create or get balance. So, like, it's kind of like when you use your elbows to, you know, give you some balance. This gives me balance when I'm. So if you catch me looking over this way, it's because my monitor is over here. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm still in focus and that you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so I'm going to take Oktoberfest and use it as my transition color. This is by Coastal Scents. Right now I'm going to take Mulberry and put that right under the transition color. Now I'm going to take Edgy Eggplant. And place that right up under the last color in the outer V. take Bon Voyage. And apply that to my lid. I'm going to take this highlighter and apply it in the corner of my eyes. It's by Luna, and I think that's the color. Yep, well, that's the color. It's Luna by Luna. So the color is Luna, product is Luna. So I'm taking the maroon berry again, and I'm just going to place this on the outer V. And that edgy eggplant. Use my NYX Gel eyeliner. Looks like this. And this is my least favorite thing to do. So. Mirror is way back. And I don't do wing eyeliner. Eyeliner be stressing me out, y'all. So yeah, me and these disrespectful eyelashes had a fight. Ugh, my goodness. Okay. So, on to foundation. Foundation that I'm using is Maybelline SuperStay. I think this is the newest foundation that they released. It's supposedly full coverage and matte. I would say that it's full coverage and matte. Using my finger, I'm just gonna pat that all over. Love that glue all under my eye. Like, it just be bad. I'm going to use this Real Technique sponge. And I just started using these sponges and I like them. I love it. I usually use like a kabuki brush, something like this. I used to on my foundation, but I think I done fell in love with actually using these sponges. Use that same concealer, that Instant Rewind. Now this color is tan. This is in the color tan. Now I'm going to use my black Opal foundation stick. This is the color Ebony Brown. I'll use that to contour. Taking my Covergirl Professionals loose powder, and I'm going to use that to set my under eye and everywhere where I highlighted. So I'm taking this Covergirl Queen in Ebony Bronze. This is my favorite product to powder contour. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust all of this extra powder away. I'm going to take that same highlighter that I used on my eyes, and I'm going to use this. Is Mulberry by Femme. My favorite blushes. Rubbed off, but this is how it looks. It's like a nude, pinky nude, and this is what it looks like. So light up, light up, light up, light up, light up, light up, oh, my lips is popping. Ew. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. So leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so that you'll get updates when I upload videos. As you can see, I've been working on my lighting. I've been working on backgrounds, better quality videos, and trying to do more videos where I'm actually talking. But that's something I gotta get used to. But hope you guys like the look. Let me know, let me know, let me know. But yeah, I like it. Now I gotta find me somewhere to go. But you guys have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.